Top of the morning to ya. Hello, and welcome to March edition of Browntown Tech Corner. This month we're talking about the cloud. As every good leprechaun knows, the cloud helps make a rainbow, which is where we store our treasure. So, bake up some soda bread, dip it in your Irish stew, and let's talk about the cloud. So today, to answer what is the cloud, we're going to be taking some questions from our studio audience. So let's see. Alright, go ahead.
Hi, Steven.
Hey, how you doing today?
I'm a huge fan, so excited to be here. My first question would be just generally, what is the cloud?
That is a great question. To answer that question, we'll say that the cloud is a mixture of hardware and network services. We've got storage and interfaces that aid in delivering computing services. Now that's kind of a technical jargon. In short, it is something online that you access to get resources like your Netflix, for example. Alright, so we're going to take another question from the audience. How about you, sir?
Yes, love the show. So how do I use the cloud?
That's also a great question. You know, here in 2019, a lot of things are integrated with the cloud and we don't even realize it. So your question on how do I use it is answered by something like a web browser or maybe an application that you use on your smartphone or tablet that accesses online resources that lives in the cloud. Alright guys, we definitely have time for a couple more questions. Let's see, how about you, sir?
Longtime fan of the show, thanks for having me, and I was wondering what resources could be cloud-based?
Ooh, another good question. You guys are good. Alright, so a ton of resources are cloud-based nowadays, just like the last question. Some examples include Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, those are file sharing applications. We also have things like virtual servers, Netflix, as I gave an example before, a lot of software, and a lot of social media. In fact, all social media pretty much. Alright, running short on time, we have time for one more question. Alright, ma'am, go ahead.
Thank you so much. I'm so excited to be here. I was just wondering, what are the benefits of cloud computing?
Ooh, tough one. There are a lot of benefits. Some of the most common ones I would say are data backup, data storage, of course. They really have a ton of resources for really powerful server capabilities, so you can have virtual servers that are really, really powerful. High availability of resources across multiple platforms, increased productivity. It's very cost effective and oftentimes time saving. And then finally, I'd say it has a lot of software as service applications as well that are all cloud-based. So, in summary, today we learned a little bit about the cloud, what resources it has, how to access it, and of course, why. So be sure to tune in next month for Browntown's Tech Corner and more tips, tricks, and of course, charm. Lucky charm.